Morning, everybody. It's a guide's life, man. Captain Dave Schneider getting her kicked off this morning. Today's video should be I think they're all good, but anyway, today we're going to be taking a father and his two sons out. We're going to do a little bit of fishing. They want to do some artificial fishing. They look like artificial guys, and that's good because I like to do that. But they also we're also going to do a few shiners, probably a few dozen shiners this morning. I'm going to get them into Coot Bay and see if we can knock heads with a couple of nice fish this morning first thing. Anyway, I'm just at the marina here. I just stopped in and checked in with them. There goes Chet Douthit. Yeah, that's the world famous Chet Douthit. Chet was he played for the Dolphins in '71. Yeah, '71, not '72. Balls. Anyway, but he what I like, my favorite Dolphin story with Chet Douthit is he was talking one day and he said, man, he's talking about Larry Zonka, and he said, man, all I can say is I'm glad I played offense because I would not have wanted to have to tackle that man. And the ironic thing is that's exactly probably what I would have thought too. Anyway, God bless the 72 Dolphins, and I'm sure they're already drank their champagne for this year. But having said all that, I'm going to load up the boat. I've got it pretty well ready to go. She's clean and ready. Got the lids off, covers off, and all that. And I don't know if you can see it. It's dark out here. By the way, part of the guide's life thing is this crap usually starts in the dark. All right, man. We'll see you in a few minutes. And that's how we roll around here. That's outstanding, man. What do you got here? Oh, this is a nice fish too. This is a nice bass. Good one, Zach. With a Z. Let him take it a little bit there. There you go. You can shut it now. You can close it. Now when he pulls tight, there you go. There you go, man. Keep it right up. Right to you. Pull him right to you. There we go. A little more. Little more. Give him to you, baby. Give him to you. There you go. All right, man. Good job. I'm out of there. Good job. Good job. Oh, let's get you off. Yeah, good hook set, man. That gets you out at the snide there. Oh, and it's gone. Is he taking? Oh, yeah, close it. Close it. Wait for him to pull tight. There he is. There he is. Oh, he come unbuttoned. That's all right. Get it right back out. We'll get another shiner in there. Sometimes, Tommy, it's better to be lucky than good. You know? Yeah, we've made a little move here. We're at our second shiner hole. We're still in Coot Bay, and it takes a few minutes typically when you get to a spot for things to wind up a little bit. Ideally, you want things to pick up as quickly as possible, of course, and we want to try and get the first bite or two. It seems like once you do that with these staging areas, the fishing will really get fast and furious. But we've probably only got a dozen shiners left. And probably we're gonna fish till these are gone, and then we're gonna go hit some artificials. But anyway, so far I think we've got maybe 5 or 6 fish, and at the first spot, nothing real big, but on the swim worm, huh? Good. Very good. That's the same bait your daddy hooked up on over there and broke off. So probably a little theme there. Good job, T. Good job, brother. Well done. Well done.
It's fat.
Big fat fatty. Good job, man. Well done.
Yeah. There you go, man. There he is. Same fish, I bet. Just lift your rod up. There you go. Good job, man. There you go. Look at you. Look at you doing this like it matters. Good job, brother. I don't think that's... but either way, man, a little key and nail, see? That's good. Good for you, bro. Good for you. Good job, man.